How to create Australian super account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how you can create yourself your Australian super account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your preferred web browser. At the top search bar, type in australiansuper.com. Once you have done that, you will land onto its official website. Now to create an account, tap on three bar icon on your top right and expand the option that says Join. You tap on Super. At this page, you simply type in your email address and tap on Get Started. Now again, enter your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your gender, and tap on Continue. Now likewise, so you have to pass a 5-stage in order to create yourself an super account. On option 2, you will have to enter your employment details. On stage 3, enter your super details, and the fourth is your insurance detail, and 5 is review. Once you have done all that, just tap on continue and you will be able to create yourself an account. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.